She's trying to teach me how to shine. Painting lines around this bleeding mess of me, this girl, this flame swallower. Our tongues are burning candles, and I've never been more thankful for smoke, for this hollow. Cause she's a resounding echo filling every empty space in me. This girl, my little carousel, spinning, spinning quietly. I tell her I am still stuck in last year's August, and this is why I can't sleep at night. So she starts hanging lights in all of my dark corners, trying her hardest to convince me it's Christmas. She's trying to convince me to try. But I'm terrified of what she'll find when she finally looks closer. I am trying to be braver. Little warrior steps, please let me kiss her. Please let me taste it. Please let those hands be my hands, be her hands. Please let this get heavy. In that way that can only happen when things feel very, very light. This girl is wild and warm. And even when my arms turn forgetful, she never asks any questions, only knows how to hold me until her hands once again feel familiar. She says she prayed for me. She says she got down on her knees for me. I tell her what kind of God would wish me on anyone. She says I make her so proud. Sometimes she tells me I have hurt her and my heart breaks. Because she never asks for anything. Never asks for anything except that I stay alive. Sometimes she tells me I have hurt her, but I know that this girl could hurt me so much worse. This girl, she knows her way into all of my untouchable places. She makes me want to stay. Burn down all my maps. This girl, please, just let me love her back. Thank you.